Hola homies, this is Tara with Kittens, Weights, and Tarot bringing you a not a deck review. This is a runes review. The Animal Speak Runes by Ted Andrews. Okay, so they would come in this box, which I don't have them in the box right now because I'm going to be recycling this box. So this is by Dragon Hawk Publishing. And I've been just into everything Ted Andrews lately. I have his Nature Speak cards, and I got those a couple of years ago. And I have his Animal Speak book, which I am loving, by the way. And I did not pay this price on Amazon. It was actually quite a bit cheaper. So here is the back of the box. Okay, I have actually not had a time to work with them yet because I just got them yesterday. So as you can see, I just now am breaking the spine on the book. But I love, I've just kind of read the concept of them. So there are these specialty runes, which are, you know, he picked the 6 most common things you might see an animal doing, and that might have relevance to what's going on in your life. And then here you have some of the animals. Obviously not a comprehensive amount of animals that are on this earth, otherwise there would not be a bag big enough for all those runes. Okay, so it talks a little bit about what the Animal Speak runes are all about, the totems and messengers, understanding the basics. Like they're protectors, they can be teachers, they can be healers, and just like how to just jump right into using these runes and how to use them for healing and protection. And yeah, so how to care for your runes here, and then it goes right into the specialty runes followed by the actual animal runes. And then at the back there's rune readings that you could do. You can use it as a daily oracle, 3 rune prophecy, your spirit journey. Yeah, so there you go. And then of course you have your author here and the artist. Okay, so nice little booklet. I will put this on my bookshelf. Okay, so it comes with this faux silk bag, and all 40 runes are inside. Okay, we'll put that up here, and let's just have a look-see. So these are made of pine, and they're, I would say, like half the size of a domino, maybe. Okay, so I'm gonna do it kind of like my deck reviews. So I'm just gonna show quickly the rune. Maybe I'll put a few of these in my hand. I've never really done a runes review. Okay, so we have turtle. I thought it said turtle power. No, it's not a Ninja Turtle. These are cool. I haven't looked at all of them yet, so I am seeing this for the first time with you all. Okay, let me put a few more in my hand. Put these off to the side. Get through all 40 of these. Pretty cool. I'm already feeling like the energy coming off of these, and it's fantastic. Skunks are just invading my yard like no tomorrow. Digging up my tomatoes, looking for grubs. I'll put a few more in my hand. It must be one of the specialty ones. another specialty one. Oh, manatee. I love me some manatees. Okay, let's put a few more in my hand. I'm just sorry, I'm like trying to soak it all in. I don't mean to be mute over here, but yeah, I'm just like, hey, these are rad. And I actually have some time today. I'm going to be working with these. I wonder if I could even use them with my Norse runes. Like, how would that work out? That might be kind of cool. It's almost like using, like mixing your tarot and oracle cards, I guess. I like that inner voice to bear. And the last two. You spider! Alright, so that's it. So we just kind of place them in the bag here. And let's just pull one. You know, like if we're doing a daily draw. Just flinging these all over the place. Okay. Give them a little mixy mix. Switch them all around. And what's today's message? New rhythm, woodpecker. Yeah. The song that popped up into my head is the Rhythm of the Night from the 90s. I'm like, it's the rhythm of the night, all night, oh yeah. You know, you kind of get it. So find your groove, find your rhythm today and get to it. So whether you are finding your rhythm doing your chores, finding your rhythm at work, or finding your rhythm at the gym, it's time to get grooving, y'all. So I think that's our message for today. Awesome. So yeah, all right. So if you dug this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions. You can put that in the information or comments section below. I can't even talk today, like words, hello. And don't forget to click subscribe. If you want to catch a reading with me, you can find my website down in the information section, or if you click on this box up here, that will take you to my Etsy shop. And that's it from me, your spiritual ninjas. So I will catch y'all later. Peace, love, and chicken grease. Peace out.